Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch the full lecture. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, let us solve a small problem which is the easiest one. So the question is on the screen. Kindly take the screenshot of the question. Now, on the basis of following information, calculate the earnings of worker X and Y. So there are two workers X and Y on straight piece basis and Taylor's differential piece rate system. So in two methods we need to solve this problem. One is in piece rate system and second one is Taylor's differential piece rate system. What is the speciality of Taylor's differential piece rate system? He will be differentiating the employees on efficiency level. Means he will be treating employee as efficient employees as well as non-efficient employees. Based on the efficiency, he will be paying them the wage rate. Now, the standard production will be 8 units per hour. Means the employees need to produce 8 units per hour. The normal time rate will be 4 per hour. Rupees 4 per hour, they will be getting it. So, differentials to be applied. So, according to Taylor differential piece rate system, 80% of the piece rate, if they are considered as below the standard. If the efficiency of a worker is 80%, then his standard will be below. Then if efficiency is like 120%, sorry, if the efficiency or the output of the employee is below the standard, then he will get the 80% of the piece rate. By chance, if he has produced above the standard, then he will be getting 120% of the piece rate. In a 9-hour day, X produced in a 9-hour day. So totally the two X and Y, they are working for 9 hours, and in that X has produced 54 units and Y has produced 75 units. Now see here, they have given the standard output. Standard output they have given. So what is the standard output they have told? The workers need to produce 8 units per hour. ಒಂದು ಗಂಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 8 units ನ produce ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Then they have told that time rate is rupees 4 per hour. So rupees 4 rupees they are paying per hour. So now we can easily find out the piece rate. So what is the formula? It is time rate divided by standard output. Time rate divided by standard output means 4 divided by 8. It is nothing but 50 paisa. 0.50 it will come. 0.50 rupees is nothing but 50 paisa. Now, first one, in this problem we need to solve using two methods. First, let us try to solve this using straight piece basis method. Straight piece basis method. So here how we need to calculate is, first we'll calculate the wages of X. So the formula will be units produced into rate. So X has produced 54 units and Y has produced 75 units. X has produced 54 units and Y has produced 75 units. Their rate is same. Both has 50 paisa, means 0.50. So 54 into 0.50 will be 27 rupees. Then 75 into 0.50 will be 37.5 rupees. So this is the wages they have got. Now the second method is Taylor's differentials piece rate system. Taylor's differential piece rate system. Piece rate system. Now what we need to do is, here the Taylor will actually give the two different rate. The Taylor is telling us to provide two different rate. One is lower piece rate and second one is higher piece rate. Lower piece rate and higher piece rate. Lower piece rate will be 80% and higher piece rate will be 120%. 80% on the piece. What is the piece value? It is 50 paisa. We have found out piece rate is 50 paisa. So into 0.50 and into 0.50. So 80% of 0.50 will be 40 paisa and 120% of 0.50 will be 60 paisa. So for lower efficiency worker 40 paisa will be paid, and for higher efficiency worker 0.60 paisa will be paid. Now see here, so they have told that each worker is working for 9 hours and per hour they will produce 8 units. So 9 into 8 will be 72, means the standard production should be 72. This is standard production or standard output the worker needs to give. Now see here, X worker has produced 54 units and Y has produced 75 units. So this 54 units is less than 72 units and 75 units is more than 72 units, means more than the actual unit, means he is less efficiency or less efficient and Y is more efficient. So for this 54 units and 75 units, he is due to he is less efficient, he will be paid lower piece rate, that is 0.40 paisa, and Y is more efficient, so will be paid a higher piece rate, that is 0.60. So here when you calculate 54 into 0.40, it will be 21.60, 21 rupees 60 paisa he will be getting. And here 75 units into 0.60, it will be 45 rupees. So this is how we need to solve this problem. Hope you have understood this problem very well. Kindly solve it by yourself once, and if you get any doubt while solving, please put your queries in the comment box. We will try to respond to your queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video as soon as possible. Thank you. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.